All right. Make 2 hits on the blue target. Recover.
Would help if I had hearing protection on.
That might help. Good. Same thing. Like right down the side, back of the car, lean over the top of the back of the seat.
So I'm going that way then.
No, you go the same way. Only because this way we don't have to move the muzzle around and point at all of us.
But I'm between these two. Does that matter?
No, we're just giving you a little obstruction. Don't worry about it. Make believe the rear window's open. You're shooting out the rear window. That's a fairly representation of shooting out the window.
Yeah.
You ready? Recover. Good. Next up. All right, you want to start from the passenger side? His wife drives a lot. Ready?
Draw.
Draw. Shoot out as if you're shooting out the passenger window. Yep.
Blue target.
Blue target. Up, back, and around. That looked really good considering you're all twisted. Recover. Holster. Same thing. Through the back of the car, 2 rounds at the blue target. Hits. There you go. Recover. Good. Next up.
Grab my equipment.
Yeah, whatever you got to grab, grab. Yeah, sit down. Gun out of the holster immediately to the back, right? On the signal. Recover. Same thing. Recover. Next up. Recover. First round is so important. Always try to make the first hit.
He went to the left.
Because you shut too fast. Because you got there, you were like, holy shit, let's do this really, really fast. Slow down. Move next seat. Control.
Same target?
Same target. Control. Recover. Next up.
That was good trigger control at your hand. Yeah, the first one. You were holding the trigger, you decided not
Ready?
to shoot, and then your trigger came off the trigger.
Hits, hits, hits. Don't give up. Aim 3 feet to the right. That was like a joke, but do it anyway. Come on, squeeze. Don't fucking give up. Front sight, squeeze.
You gotta be kidding me.
Close one eye.
One more time. Come on. Recover.
You gotta figure out.
Stop, stop. Watch the muzzle. Down in the holster.
Gotta figure out what's going on with him.
It's when he shoots one-handed, he twists his wrists a little. Yeah, yeah, it's got to be. Okay, next seat. Yeah, when he's doing one-handed before, it was really bad. One more time. Watch the muzzle. Tap rack.
Nope, gun's empty.
Nope, it's not.
is.
Nope, it's not.
It was empty, dude.
No, it wasn't. That magazine's got bullets.
Yes, agreed.
Recover. Watch the muzzle.
Let me reiterate. The chamber